What's up, guys? Card Addicts here. I'm gonna bust this Prime Blaster box. But real quick, I want to make an announcement. I'm putting this on tonight. Its longevity be $1.75 per spot is the starting bid and $1.50 shipping. There's 4 hits in here, and it'll end Friday. And we're gonna bust it.
February 11th.
We'll bust it February 11th. So happy Super Bowl Sunday. My G-men are winning, even though I'm from Pittsburgh, but here we go.
Let's get into it, man.
Okay, we got 7 packs plus 1 extra.
Look for a booklet. Doubt it. Highly doubt it.
Highly doubt we even.
Definitely not a booklet.
Highly doubt we even get anything here.
Just looking for a Cam Newton rookie, maybe.
Let's pull what I think they.
Alright, let's go.
Doesn't even look like any thick ones, but maybe a Cam Newton rookie if we're lucky. So, first pack. Jeez. Matthews, Jackson, Lynch, Crabtree, Marina. Alright, rookies are Ryan Williams and DeMarco Murray. Not bad. Next pack. Okay, Johnson, Jones, Rice, Bradshaw, Jackson, and rookies are McFarley and Torrey Smith. Okay. Just want a Cam Newton rookie. Okay, Frank Gore. Okay, Prime rookies. Jake Locker. Virgil Green rookie. And Vincent Brown rookie. Okay. Why you gotta do that? Okay. Starks, Ware, base. Jake Locker rookie. Then a Greg Salas rookie. And then a Kyle Rudolph rookie. Like I said, I don't expect a hit. Just wanted to try this stuff. Macklin, Jacobs, Bryant, Meacham, Prince Amukamara rookie, and then a Stephen Ridley rookie. Okay, 3 packs left. Dang, screwed myself on that one right there. Jeez, I can't even get this stuff open. Okay, Welker, Reed, Beanie Wells, checklist, Jeremy Kearley rookie, and Jaquiz Rogers rookie. So 2 packs left. Damn. Prime veterans, AP, Fillmore rookie, and John Baldwin. Last pack, nothing. Oh my god, I can't even open these packs.
Hit the waiver.
Yeah. Just stick these stupid inserts in here and yeah, jeez. John Baldwin rookie, and then Alex Green rookie, Von Miller rookie, and Rob Yulser rookie. I don't know. Alright, thanks for watching.